Everyone, great to have you here. Today we are going to explore Postman, an awesome tool that makes working with APIs really simple and fun. If you are new to APIs or just want to get better at testing them, you are in the perfect place. By the end of this video, you will be confident using Postman and understand some of its features. So let's get started and see what Postman can do. First things first, what exactly is Postman? Postman is a collaboration platform for API development. It simplifies the process of sending HTTP requests, receiving response, and working with APIs. Whether you are building an API from scratch, testing an API you have integrated with, or automating testing your API workflows, Postman makes the process seamless. It's used by developers and testers across the globe because of its intuitive interface and powerful features. We are going to validate weather forecast data using a GET API in Postman. First of all, open Postman. The interface looks like this. Now, we are going to create a blank workspace with our project name as weather 2. Now you can see there our workspace has been created. After that, let's go to add create a collection. Now you can see the interface. There is a create collection option is there. After create collection, we'll add a request. Get request has been already. We are going to add a request that is get request. After adding request, we have to open notepad and write some JSON attributes. I have taken 10 JSON attributes, that is ID, city, temperature, humidity, condition, and wind speed. So I have already created it and saved the file. Now let's go to command prompt and run these JSON attributes. For that, we have to write npx JSON server and copy the part and paste it in double quotes. Now you can see here how it's working, and their endpoints will come. Now let's see. As you can see, first of all, will check for get request. Now, as you know, get request means fetching the data. Now, let us copy the link from command prompt and paste the link with the endpoint in get selection. Now, I've already pasted the link and we will send the request. Now, you can see all the request has been fetched here. You can see all 10 requests has been fetched. Now, moving further, we will go to script. We are going to script for status code 200 for valid, content type header checker, and response time check. For finding valid code, status code, and response time, we will go to snippet. Now we have already done status code 200 is there completed. Now second one, we will go to content type header. As we can find here, there is content type header. Now third one is response time check. We will find it response time check. Now you can see these three status code has been done. Now I will send the link and you can see 200 OK status code is sent and our test cases has been already passed. The data has been already fetched. Our first get request has been already completed. Now moving to further, let's do the modification of API with the help of post function. Again we have to add a new collection and then we can write post and enter the URL. As you can see in the interface, now we have sent the request. Now ID has been generated. In post 201 is created. Now we will again go to script and we write content type successful post request and check for response time. Here by mistake I have already sent the get request. Now I am going to send the post request. Now I have copied the data from get request. Now I'm going to check for post. Now you can see I have pasted the JSON attributes in body raw form, and I have changed the data as I have forget to tell about the post. Post usually creates a new resource on the server and sends data to the server, and used when you are submitting forms, uploading files, or creating new entries in database. So as I have already changed that some database, and now you can see the database has already changed and 201 is created. Now let's move further. After that, we have to go to script and again go to snippet. Status goes 200, then again response time and the successful post request. So I have done. Now you will send the request. Now you can see two two request has been already passed. Now third one is failed. Now we will correct the third one. Now moving further, we will go to again script snippet. Again we will correct the error. Again we will write 200 meter response time is less than 200 meters. Again successful post request, content type header check. Now again we will send the request, and you can see now it is already passed and 201 is already created. That means our data has been fetched. Now our test result has been passed. Now let's move to third one, that is delete. Now as you know, again we have to add a request, create a new location request, that is delete option is new request. Again we have to go to delete option. We will paste the URL as we have done. Now here by mistake I have pasted the wrong URL. Now I'm writing the new request, name has been changed to delete. Now moving further, we are just going to post. Now let me show you how to delete any information from API and add so that we can add a new request. Now again we will go to script. For delete request we are going to again script and check for 404 not found and content type is present or not. So first we are going to do 202. We are changing to 404, and again we are going to change 404. Here I have done some mistake. I have wrote 404004, so I will correct it. So here it needs an correction. Just correct it. Now already I have sent the data. Now we can see one status has been failed because of 4004. Now I am going to correct it. Now you can see it's already. As you all might be thinking that it is an error, but it is not. Actually, when at first I click the send button, it is deleted from the API. Now here you can see both the codes have been passed. Now you can see then delete 404 data is not found. That means our code is perfectly working. In delete option there is 404 not found option. That means the data has been deleted from the file. I hope this video helped you get familiar with Postman and its key features. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions or need further clarification, drop a comment below and I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy testing with Postman.